Hey, what's up everybody? I figured I'd do a home video real quick while I'm down. Had a pretty extensive back surgery, so I figured I would show some videos on a grip that I had ordered before my surgery. So I ordered Adaptive Tacticals lightweight tactical grip for AR, and I put it onto my lower Anderson, which is this is what it looks like. Super nice looking, sleek, kind of like how the way it looks. It feels great. Adaptive Tactical made these things are super nice, very lightweight compared to what I had previously. It was a Magpul hollow inside, and then I had the little cover on there. Really easy to put on. It's just a 3/16 Allen. It comes with a bolt, comes with everything on it. The biggest thing is you got to watch out for is your spring on the inside for your selector switch. So I recommend laying these on the side when you're doing this, putting it inside and then undoing it and then basically bringing it out so that little spring doesn't pop out. But overall Adaptive, you guys are awesome. They made a mistake and sent me a black color. So I sent them an email and said, hey, look, I don't have time to send it back. I don't have anything else. I like it. It looks great. Fits great. It fits in super, super tight. So they sent me actually the color I ordered, so which was really nice of them. Fantastic customer service on them. So if I get a chance, order it from them. They're amazing. But anyway, here's the tactical color that I had ordered. And you can tell where that spring is drilled perfectly right there. So super tight fit. You'll have to press on real tight, but other than that, I mean, that's amazing. Great color, great company. Again, I'm giving them a big shout out. For directions, if you have any directions, kind of weird. They printed them on the inside of the box. You'll have to take the box apart. It does come with a brand new screw, so and washer. But overall, I'm very pleased with the look, the feel. I've had it out in the winter already before surgery, and I plan on swapping these out. But I'm giving this one over to my son-in-law. So anyhow, I figured I'd do a quick video. Adaptive Tactical, you guys are freaking awesome. Thank you very much for sending me a color. Even though I said you don't have to send anything back, they did it anyway out of goodness of their heart. But I do appreciate it, and I hope anybody else who buys these fall in love with it too, like I did. Overall, again, great grip, great color. The look, it's amazing. So, anyhow, check it out. Go to Adaptive Tactical and order yourself one. And I believe they were $19.99, literally. I've heard other reviews on them and downfalls. They said that it's just where this little piece is, this little nub. But really, how's that a downfall? It's covered up right here. You don't see it. So it's just where the manufacturing process probably just, they snapped them off their molds or however they did it. So anyhow, there you go. Adaptive Tactical LTG grip. Yeah, have a good day.